Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to everyone. Today, we're gonna discuss about Pahang agriculture sector. Before that, I would like to introduce my group member. First, Ainaa Nadzirah, Siti Adillah, Raul, Nabihah, and myself, Aiman bin Abdul Jawad. According to the East Coast Region Report 2019, Pahang agriculture sector has contributed 2.9 billion or 22% to the Pahang gross domestic product in the year 2019. Generally, Malaysia agriculture sector is categorized into two discrete sectors, namely the plantation sector and smallholder sector. Oil, palm, rubber and coconut are among the major crops that are being planted in Pahang. In this research is mainly observing an oil palm plantation company in Pahang, which is PKPP Plantation Sdn Bhd. PKPP first started in operation on 1 April 2017 and was previously known as LKPP Timber Sdn Bhd that has been established on 4 April 1995. This company is fully owned by Perbadanan Kemajuan Pertanian Negeri Pahang since 2017. In this research, the researcher aim to examine how the relevant government policy and economic development plan can be related to the agriculture sector. Next, drawing attention to the issue and remedies as well as the successes of economic activity was also being highlighted by the researcher in the research. Last but not least, the researcher also emphasized and discussion on digital technology and the financial sector able to affect agriculture productivity and income level. So I will pass to the next presenter.
Hello everyone, my name is Raul. Now I would like to talk about introduction in this research. It is undoubtable that agriculture sector had played a major contribution in a state gross domestic product. According to East Coast East Region report in 2019, Pahang agriculture sector had contributed almost 12.9 billion ringgit, which is equivalent to 22% to the Pahang domestic gross product in the year 2019. However, this research only scope in at oil palm plantation company, which is PKPP Corporation Sdn Bhd. PKPP plantation kicked off their operation since 1st April in the year of 2017. Previously, this company were called as LKPP Timber Sdn Bhd, that being established on 4th April 1995, which is approximately 20 years ago. The company fully owned by the Perbadanan Kemajuan Pertanian Negeri Pahang since the year 2017. The plantation had been given trust by the relevant authority by managing two farms, which are PKPP Kemayan Bera Farm and PKPP Pamah Lebar Farm. Previously, both of these farms were owned and managed by Astral Asia Plantation Sdn Bhd.
So today I would like to give a talk about the relevant government policies and economic development plans aid in the development of the economic activity chosen. The economic activity that our group chose is a palm oil plantation. Okay, in Malaysia, oil palm production acts as a primary sector that has significantly contributed to the growth of the Malaysian economy and is a significant driving force for the agro-industrial sector of the nation. Malaysia has also gained international acclaim for resource distribution among its inhabitants and poverty reduction efforts. It promotes agricultural growth and expands government and training programs. In Malaysia, palm oil contributes significantly to economic growth, money creation, health and education facilities. All of this was made possible by Malaysia policies that were both effective and long-term. In Malaysia, the development of national policies on sustainable palm oil has led to more positive outcomes and plans for increasing oil palm production. Degraded or already converted land might be used for plantation expansion under these rules. An annual increase rate of 1.6% was set in National Commodities Policy (NCP) to steer the country's palm oil plantation growth from 2011 to 2020. Next, Malaysia National Policy on the Environment was established in 2002 with the goal of integrating the three pillars of sustainable development: economic, social, and cultural development. This strategy was designed to protect the environment while also improving the cultural, economic, social, and environmental well-being of Malaysia, in order to promote long-term growth. This strategy consists of 8 interconnected components that work together to achieve economic growth goals while also improving the environment. Furthermore, the first Industrial Master Plan (IMP1) was put in place in 1986 to help Malaysia's manufacturing sector grow and develop in various ways. Plan for IMP1 was a transformation from primary agricultural products to even more industrial products. Besides, IMP1 encourages the growth of heavy industries as new feeder industries. IMP1 listed 12 industrial subsectors that had been developed because of palm oil. All of the policies above that I had mentioned had a significant impact on the Malaysian economy and especially on the palm oil sector in Pahang.
I will presenting about the issues faced, the successes of economic activity chosen, and the current situation and my opinion on current situation of economy. Firstly, about the issues in the agriculture sector. The first issue is about the palm oil price on global scale. The palm oil price is expected to be high year by year. This is good that the palm oil price is getting higher, but this is not good to the food industry as their manufacturing costs will be higher compared to before. The second issue will be about the manpower in oil palm plantation. Since COVID-19 happened in 2020, foreigners are not allowed to enter the country, resulting to the lack of manpower in the oil palm plantation. Next is about the success of the economic activity chosen. From the first data is about the increasing number of oil palm planted area in Pahang. This data prove that oil palm plantation positively affect the economic growth in Pahang as it shows the planted area of oil palm in Pahang increase yearly. Next is about the capacity utilization rate in Pahang. Data record to increase from June 2018 until 2018, and this is one of the successes of the economic activity that we have chosen. In my opinion, the current situation of economy in Malaysia is still interrupted and unstable. This is resulting from the pandemic in 2020, and this health crisis affect the country's economic growth. To be specific, in Pahang, Pahang fall off to negative 5.9% compared to 3.8% in the year before.
Next is how digital and financial technology is being developed or utilized in the chosen economic activity, which is the palm sector. First is use of drone. It is the digital develop the palm sector by using drone to monitor the quality and security of field. Second one is use of AI system and in machine. The AI system able to make our workflow more faster and analyze data. Then it is about any certain structure and function in palm sector. And the last one in this point for this topic, the innovation of banking technology. The companies and customer can make the transaction this via online, and everything will be more faster than the manual or the old system. So it is make everything more easier, and the economy will grow more and faster. That's all. My name is Adillah. So my part is about how digital technology and financial sector help to enhance economic activities, productivity and income level. So my first point is about applied by machine and software. It is the machine and software is one of the innovation that used for productivity level. Next is investment using internet banking. So the innovation banking system make the workflow easier by make an investment via online. It is good for economic growth. Next, my third point is workforce transformation. The increasement of technology make the background of workforce make mesh with the higher qualification that supply for high demand and salary. And the last one is contribute the GDP growth. It is about the various countries confirm that the effect of ICT growth that increase in the GDP growth. That is the best thing about the technology for our economy.